Chasing perfection has a ring to it, right? Well, no, not really. Because that's actually the lowest bar that you can set for yourself. I mean, it is a mirage, it's not a milestone. And why is it? It's because it is forever out of reach. Because claiming to be a perfectionist often comes with what? A shield, a way to dodge the real work. Because it's an excuse that holds you back from leaping into action, from making meaningful strides because you're waiting for this perfect day, perfect moment. And real growth, it's about progress, not perfection. It is about the peace you find daily and the progress you make on the way to reaching your goals every step of the way. Because there is no such thing as a flawless performance. It does not exist a spotless track record of performance. Personally or professionally, it doesn't exist. Because the world belongs to those who do one thing, and that is who act, who dare to reach beyond their grasp, not to those who play it safe under the cover of perfection in these perfect moments. So what is it going to be for you? Will you take bold steps, or will you wait in the wings for a perfection that literally will never come? So here's my challenge. Let's choose action over inaction, progress over procrastination in whatever you do every single day. Make a decision, make a choice to get moving, not pausing, waiting, assessing, and waiting for everything to just line up. Get moving, and let's get moving right now, today.